boast on your brothers. You wanna reach or nowhere. No intimidation. Time to show. And see Rastafari straight. Don't have an evil date. Don't take. If you're there with love, let me see you wave it up. Come on. And me say, do not be no. Oh, Toronto. They should have live for them at home. They should have bring. I say spread the joy around.
Yo, Chef Young better than everything we're bad, and we madder than everything we're mad. Next setups represent for Chef Young. Straight, you know the badness. Boom. You know.
I mean, I said the marker represent for Chef Young. If you now watch Chef Young thing, you now watch nothing hear that. Them marker say that. Oh no.
Yeah, this is Lucian the Messenger giving a big shout out to Chef Young Media, keeping the people educated and entertained. Music and visual messengers. Alright.
Chef Young, we born poor but we not dead poor. They are Toronto with 3 bad. Me say me there. Whoa. You know the style me there, I'm drunk right now. Chef Young, big up yourself, you know.
Yo, Chef Young, you know about this going on, man. The maddest and the sickest, you know. London.
Will you kindly help me welcome to the stage? Natty King! Give it up for Natty King! Here we go! Holy money, will I last year the first day? Oh yeah! Oh no, 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 no. Yes, I'm the man from the east. Oh yeah! We say early in the morning. One shot drives me out of my bed. We can't get no sleep. We can't hold no bed, no. To live in the. What you doing? What you doing? A little after that news. Wanna wake up on yourself in here, you know. Bless up the mothers, them only mother will I still see her the first. Oh yes. I'm just say why they my use ya. Not in no talk, oh yeah. Be careful of the places where you walk. Some no know God. Them no read the Bible. And you will shoot your dung. Hey, why they my use ya. Not in no talk, oh. Not just no time, no one to talk. Some no know God. Them no read. Come make me tell you, Dunkirk. We say it hurt. To see VM blood running on the dirt. Mountain View, I'm talking to you. Decent people need to pass through. And from Winwan Road to Rockford, be a trooping high police have a gun court. What you say? You love Irish Red? You love Irish Red? And me say, why they want use ya? Not take no time, boy. Be careful of the places where you walk. Some not know God, them not read Bible. And then we shoot you down. Oh, hey, why they want use ya? Not take no time, no. Not just no shadow after dark. Some not know. Take it out, take it out, take it out. Listen. You think I know me, I warn. The youth them just don't got no ears. Can't take no talk. Half the people them living in fear. My mind a pain. I want sun life gone. Down the train, too much of bloodstain. Too much of bloodstain. Oh yeah, they worry them I use ya. Not take no talk. Oh yeah, be careful of the places. We say something no do. Them no read. And then we shoot you down. Oh yeah, why them I use ya? Not just no shadow after dark. Don't know. How you feeling? How you feeling? So I walk to the mothers, them alright? The mothers, them alright? We don't have to walk my mouth to me here. We don't eat no food. Alright, go buy some food from Island Red. We have food on the house, we have juice, we have soup. Because we have to get lively, because Lucian are there, you know, man. The whole of way there, you know. So get lively. Ready now. Hey, you, mister. Hey, you, mister. You, Mr. Greedy, trying to take what is for me, yeah. What is your philosophy? Toronto people, oh yeah. Hey, but Mr. Greedy, trying to take what is is your philosophy? What is your hey, give me a mix. Oh yeah. I mean say, no, not me want more than that. I hold them a level. Oh yeah. I mean say, no, not me want more than that. My money by the coconut. Hey, yes, I know that me want more than that. I hold them a level. Yes, I know that me want one drop. Me say you're too damn greedy. And you know remember the poor and needy. See for you let me and you know happy. Me cut the greens just so seedy. Me gon' need the flower when you tell me fee. Left go up the road and then me say me so. No me forward and me no feel. Me say the one cool. Boy belly big like for Chicago bull. Let's go up the road, the man the pot did full. How you feeling? And you Mr. Greedy, trying to take what is for me, yeah. What is your philosophy? What is your philosophy, yeah? And you Mr. Greedy, trying to take. Give me a one drop over yourself. Me say me bend. What me say? Me bend. Me say me bend. What me say Toronto? What me say me bend, me mean me screw. Me mean me vex. Me upset. Then give me bun a pot. So me bend. Listen. Rasta know say me bend. Every time shop fi go a me them send me go a 8 mile 9 and 10. When me no get to me I fi go back a 7. Can't believe said that to me and you a friend. For me you no fi borrow and to you me no go. Man me kick it down you know. Stay far from me foot them here. Me say the one cool. Boy belly big like for Chicago bull. Left go up the road them and the pot did full. No me forward a empty pot. Make we burn Mr. Greedy. Trying to take what is your philosophy? Hey, burn Mr. Greedy. Trying to take what is. What is your philosophy? What is your philosophy? What the man will I? Selassie I Joe. Yes, Toronto, open me your mouth. Oh my baby, I love you, my lady, my beautiful lady. Come love me. Oh my baby. Pull up. Hold on. We're not too rehearsed with the band, you know, so be careful. I don't feel no way. I'm working right now and I'm rehearsing at the same time. How don't rehearse? See, this one called Love Me. It's for all the mothers who turn out. And the man, there's some man who are mothers too, you know. Because me are one of them. Me help grow my youth them. See? So big up the man that will grow them youth. The real father them, big up the real mothers them. You see? Yes, Toronto. It's my first time. What's it know? I said, love me, oh my baby, you're the one for me. Oh, you see you're black and beautiful. You impress me when you gave me your love so free. Oh my baby, yeah. Listen to these words from my heart, straight out my baby. I don't want us to ever part. We've been together for so long, my girl. Keep it right, my baby. I never make it wrong. Come on, love me, oh my baby. Oh my baby, you impress me when you give me. Bounce slow. Play the bass line for them. I wish for those good times with you. If bad times should come, I'll never leave you blue. I pray eternally, yeah, for prosperity, yeah, with happiness and loyalty to cover you and me. Come on, love me, oh my baby, you're the one for me, yeah. Oh yeah, hey Toronto, you impress me when you give me tender loving and oh yeah. Holy eye, Selassie, Jah Rastafari. Well, my she alone give me a round of applause. Can I get a round of applause, please? Yeah, man, thank you. Thank you. Don't be shy. And show the love and show the gratitude. You know what I mean? It's going to motivate me, make me feel stronger. All right? Give me a round of applause again. Yes. Yes. And give Kings of Kings a round of applause. Highly Dread, come on. Make it possible. Well, it's my first time here. Saying, and I did a song called No Guns to Town from 2003, 21 years now. And I haven't been here. Saying, so I'm here tonight to just grace the stage and show the them some love. Sing some songs that the them don't know as yet. Sing some songs that the them know, like this one. Ready? Your brothers, you wanna reach nowhere. No intimidation. Hey Toronto, oh yes, I see Rastafari strength. Oh yeah, no omnipotent, yeah, yeah. Don't take anybody. Toronto wave off the crosses, the man. I mean say do not bring up. Pull up, pull up. Hold on there, hold on there, hold on there. I can't Toronto me there. We don't want no gun around here, so. I mean, don't say a long time, I don't know that song here, you know. I don't never see me and sing it live, you know. So you are going ready again. Me and Uno. Me and Uno are going to sing this. Ready? Break them low, yeah. Don't boast on your brothers. You wanna reach nowhere. No intimidation. Time to show. And see Rastafari strength. Don't have an evil date. Don't take. If you're there with love, let me see you wave it up. Come on. And me say do not be no. Oh Toronto. They should have live for them at home. They should have bring. I say spread the joy around. No bring no. You should have live for them at home. You should have bring. Bounce it up, bounce it up, bounce it up. Low, 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 low. Shh. Good. Shh. Shh. This song is a very serious song. I mean, them say they want to cut me set because I was so late. And the traffic why I'm so late. But me have to there, so I sing these words for you people. These very vital words. These important words. Listen. Proofs I'm proving. The reason I don't know. Wrong road them choosing. And I go like when the negative ground. No. You claim say you're better than me. But I've got good things to do. Yo, but people, if we're not doing the righteousness, let me soon go like this. Come on, come on. At least you do not bring a gun, let's come to town. Oh yeah, you should have live for them at home. You should have bring. I say spread the joy around. Now bring a Toronto. You should have live for them at home. You should have bring. Run your so. Shh. Run your so. Boxilo. You see this empress here? I know she's a mother. Boxilo. I'm gonna know say our age is over 50, 60. Am I right? Am I right? Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid. Be proud about your age. Alright? Many don't live to see your age. And this is why you're here tonight. As a mother. Alright? In Jamaica, a lot of crime and violence. A lot of mothers lose their parents, lose their kids. Alright? So this song now, this verse now. Some make a living by shooting people, yes. But when for them time come, them crying, them locked in evil, mama, boy. Who is gonna help them out after all they have done, yeah. They used to make people cry every day, but now for them crying, oh, yeah, you bring your guns, come. Hey, Toronto, you should have lived them at home, you should have bring. As they spread the joy around, now bring them. Hey, Toronto, you should have lived for them at home, you should have bring. How you doing? How you doing? How you doing? You feeling irie? Bounce low, stay away. Bounce low, stay away. Bounce low, stay away. You alright? Don't text your husband now. Sing with me tonight. Me own again. Ready again. Hey. Don't boast on your brothers and your sisters. Not gonna put you nowhere. No intimidation. Time to show that you care. Come on, my people. And see Rastafari strength. Oh yeah. Don't have uneven taste. If you know this song, I want you to sing along. Bounce it low, bounce it low, bounce it low. I mean, say, do not bring no guns, come to town, yes. You should not live for them at home. You should not bring love, come to town. Yeah, spread the joy around. Do not bring no guns, come to town. Open your voice and tell the youth them no guns. You better bring love, come. Yes, you better bring love, come. Oh, yeah, yeah. Hey, Toronto, oh, yeah, whoa. Oh yeah, oh yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, yeah. There's somebody have to leave now. There's somebody have to leave now. There's somebody have to leave now. Hold on. Before I leave, play the last song for me. Shredded. Before I leave, play the shredded. Before I leave. Yes, my people. I know my time is short. But I'm gonna sing this one for you. This one comes from my heart. Lower, lower, lower. I'm trying, yes, I'm trying. Straight to Ethiopia, the place I wanna be. Toronto, I'm yarding. Yes, I'm yarding. Straight to the front. Bounce low, bounce low. Bounce low. I have one heap of artists come on stage and I get one heap of time to sing madness and to sing other people's songs and to sing songs that don't give you upliftment. But when the great artists have come with the message, the time is short and you don't get the blessing. So this verse now, I'm going to sing this verse for you. Bounce it low, bounce it low, bounce it low, bounce it low. Bounce it low. Come on, my people. Be more persistent. I tell you now, yeah, you can't afford to be stagnant. No, no, yeah. Babylon have the lock, Toronto. Tell them say we got the key, oh yes. Rastafari, I know. Toronto, I love you. I'm trying. Yes, I'm trying. Oh yeah, straight to Ethiopia. Oh yeah. Oh, yes, I'm yarding. Toronto, I love you. I love you, my people.